our 7-quart mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. The overall length, we have a total of 7 3/4 inches, and a depth with the bowl attached, we have 16 inches. The overall height of 15.5 inches. Coming to the side of the mixer will be a locking mechanism to the bowl. And to release, just push the button up, hold the cover, and released. Safety cover on top, and included are 3 attachments: the whip, the beater, along with the hook. Coming to the side will be a 5-speed control. And on the back of the mixer, you have your power, along with the 110/120 voltage plug and the technical specifications for this mixer, along with the ATL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.